What's the meaning of Chelsea pensioner? Chelsea pensioner. Chelsea pensioner.
Chelsea pensioner. Chelsea pensioner. A Chelsea pensioner is a retired member of the British Army who resides at the Royal Hospital, Chelsea. The hospital was founded in 1682 by King Charles II and is intended to provide a home for veterans who have served in the British Army. Pensioners must be over 65 years old and have served a minimum of 12 years in the Army, with good conduct. They are recognizable by their distinctive uniform of bright red coat and tricorn hat. Today, around 300 Chelsea pensioners live at the Royal Hospital, Chelsea.